Hi, I'm Wag. See that glowing city? William Penn is a huge part of that community. We all have our part, so keep learning, kittens. Children.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to PSN. Last Monday, not yesterday, but the week before, was Groundhog Day, and I think I told you that I had a special surprise. I went and saw the actual groundhog in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. So here's a little video I made at the groundhog ceremony and some of the video I took of the ceremony. And before you watch this, just a huge shout out to JC for our intro this week. That was such a cool intro. Great job, JC. All right, let's take a look at Mr. Groundhog, Punxsutawney Phil.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now on this February 2nd, Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened from his wintry nap at dawn on Gobbler's Knob. Phil looked to the skies and then, speaking in groundhogese, directed President Dunkel to the proper scroll, which reads, that there is a shadow here on my ground. 6 more weeks of winter abound.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Bond reporting from Gobbler's Knob. Now, Phil had to go back to sleep. He already came out earlier, but it's so cold here, colder than it normally is. It was negative 8 degrees earlier, and Phil saw his shadow. I'm sorry, Phil saw his shadow, so he had to go back inside, and that means there's 6 more weeks of winter. I'm so sorry to report that, but it's so good to see you all, and stay warm. Bye.
Punxsy Groundhog style. Groundhog style. Phil. Punxsy Groundhog style. Groundhog style. Phil. Punxsy Groundhog style.
What's interesting, boys and girls, is that according to Punxsutawney Phil, we have 6 more weeks of winter, but we have not really had a winter here in Utah, so I think we're okay. But I gotta tell you, it was negative 8 degrees where I was. It's much colder there, so we should be very grateful that we've had a mild winter. Up next is a science experiment from our PSN crew. Let's see what they're up to.
Welcome to PSN Lab. This experiment this week is elephant toothpaste. Safety. If you want to do an experiment, have a grown-up with you and make sure to wear your safety equipment.
Gloves, goggles, and lab coats.
Now let's start our elephant toothpaste. Whoa.
You guys can react. Say something.
Okay.
Very cool.
This science experiment demonstrates a rapid exothermic chemical reaction. Boom, boom, boom.
All right, that was some really cool elephant toothpaste you guys made. Up next, we have a surprise tour. I'm really curious to see what this is. I don't even know. So let's see where we're going on this little adventure.
Oh, hello. Today, we're going to be taking a tour of Mr. Boden's office. And don't tell him. This is very secretive.
I'm going to be doing a tour of Mr. Boden's desk. So under here, he has a napping spot when he's had too many breakfast burritos. And this is his Mountain Dew when he gets too bloated.
This is Mr. Boden's computer. He watches funny cat videos when he gets bored and plays Zelda and plays with his fidgets.
Oh, hi. This is Mr. Boden's closet. Whenever he wants to go home, he comes through here. And it's a portal that takes him to his house. Bye.
Thank you. This is the PSN Blue Group.
And thank you for watching our secret tour of Mr. Bodden's office. Bye!
I am so embarrassed. You toured my office, but I wasn't here. I go to see the groundhog, and you guys come in here and look at my messy office. Anyway, I'm glad you didn't look in all of the messy places. So, anyway, that was fun. Yes, this is my office. Welcome. One and all. Okay, next, let's move on. Let's talk about the book reviews. We got some book reviews coming up, and we have the book fair that's been going on yesterday and today at SUP conferences. So we hope you find a great book to read. You can either check out the one that you hear about in these book reviews. You can ask your teacher what their favorite book is, ask your parent what their favorite book is, or you can buy one at the book fair. Lots of ways to find a great book, but there's great books out there. So let's see what some of you are reading.
Hi, this is PSN reporter Hattie and Nora, and today I'm asking her the question, what is your favorite book at our school library?
My favorite book at our school library is The Land of Stories, the second book, and I love how that you can imagine you're in the story and you can face your fears during it. It's so good. I almost read it for 2 hours.
We love this book so much that we did this together, and this is at our school library, so you may check it out whenever you'd like.
And here's our amazing first grade Miss Shelton's artwork.
Yeah, good job.
Hey guys, I'm going to be talking about Treaty Trenches Mud and Blood by Nathan Hale. This is Treaty Trenches Mud and Blood and why it's a great book. First of all, I love how detailed it is and how kind of funny it is, and it's a great series. That's why I love Treaty Trenches Mud and Blood. Yes, and he has a huge series of tons of books, even more than this.
I'm reporter Brighton, and I did a book report on Sweet Valley Twins. Sweet Valley Twins is about two identical twins named Jessica and Elizabeth, and Jessica gets into the popular girls group, and she doesn't have enough time to spend with Elizabeth. Check it out from our library.
All right, those are great books. Make sure you check out the poster in the library about some of these books as well. And we do have some fun happening this week, so let's make sure we're on our best behavior so we can earn that fun. We have our Valentine's parties on the 12th, and also there's a surprise that morning. So if you come to the front of the school, you might get a special little treat delivered to you by some really cool guys, some dads. Anyway, come on Thursday morning to find out what that's all about. But don't come to school on Friday morning because there's no school. And then don't come to school Monday or Tuesday because there's no school those days either. So we're going to see you again next week on Wednesday, February 18th. Okay? So 3 days off of no school. Thursday's a short day, and Thursday's our Valentine's Day party. Bye.
Hi, this is the Purple PSN Group Reporters, and this month is the school play The Lion King.
Tickets will be open to public on February 13th at 10 a.m.
The school play will be on the 26th and 27th of February.
Thank you.
For coming to our school musical.
And please spot us in the play. We are also in it.
I'm Timon.
I'm the Pride.
And I'm Rafiki.
Thank you.